In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Hubspot account quickly and efficiently. Let's get started with ensuring your valuable data remains secure by following a few straightforward steps. First, we need to head over to the Hubspot website. Open your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com to visit the web page. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already accustomed to it. This is your gateway to a myriad of business tools, but our focus today is on securing your data through a simple backup process. Next, we need to log into your Hubspot account. Look towards the upper right corner of the home page where you'll find the Login button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure you've entered your details accurately to avoid any login issues. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll arrive at your Hubspot home. This is your central hub where you'll see an overview of your business activities and tools. From the Hubspot home, the next step is to locate and click on the marketplace icon. This icon is your portal to an array of apps, extensions, and integrations designed to enhance your HubSpot experience. You'll usually find this icon represented visually, making it easier for you to spot amongst the various dashboard tools. Once in the marketplace, click on the Apps tab. The Apps section is where we'll find the tools specifically designed for performing specific tasks, including backing up your data. Spend a moment scrolling through the options if you're curious, but we'll focus on one app in particular today. Now that we're in the Apps section, use the search bar to type in Backup. This will filter the vast number of apps to something more specific to our needs. Among the results, look out for Pro Backup. Click on it once you've found it to view more details about what this app can do for you. The Pro Backup app provides a reliable solution for automating backups and ensuring your HubSpot data is secure. Finally, to complete the process, click on the Install App button. The installation process is relatively quick. Once installed, you may want to explore the app's settings and customization options to suit your backup needs. Remember, keeping regular backups is essential for maintaining data integrity and safety, protecting your business from potential data loss. And that's it, you've just learned how to back up your HubSpot account effectively. With these steps, your data is much more secure now. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share the video. See you next time.